Hi, I'm Samantha Bowling. I'm the managing partner at GWCPA. I've been using Dr. Jean's bot for over a year now, and to be honest, I can't live without her. Now, I do prefer the person, Dr. Jean, but she can't be available 24/7 for me. I use Dr. Jean every day. The bot really helps me get out of my caveman brain. So, without Dr. Jean, I would probably be saying things the wrong way. So actually, it's not just me using Dr. Jean bot, it's our entire team. To be honest, I have my managers using it so that way they can communicate EOS to their team members. Our firm administrators using that to make sure that when we build our SOPs, rebuild things we're building internally, that they make sense on the EOS framework and that language. And then Aaliyah, who's our future business development person, is using it to figure out what is the conversation we should be having with our potential customers. So we all use it. It's not just me. Dr. Jean Bot has given me peace of mind that I know that I have somebody that I can reach out to. It's the only trusted source I would go to because I know that it's built on the right database.